Greetings everyone. So my name is Farah Shazwani binti Shaha. So I will be representing my team on presenting on today's topic, which is PUTRA UAV biodegradable natural fiber composite material. So without further ado, let's start. So from the background, did you know that currently drones are gaining tremendous attention around the whole globe? It is no surprise since these drones has been revolutionizing several sectors in the industry. With drones, you can explore dangerous or disaster areas from afar without risking the life of the rescuers. So drones can also be used to send parcels or medications at a faster pace. From the market study, it was forecast that the drone market will rapidly increase from 2016 until 2027. However, with this increment, there will also be consequences that will occur. In this particular market, the increment of drones from non-biodegradable materials leads to the increment of wastes. So therefore, this brings us to the current problems identified. So there are three problems that has been identified. So the first one is the non-biodegradability of the current materials. The current materials that are being used are actually made from carbon fiber, plastics, and several other types of metals. So these materials are actually non-biodegradable, and as I mentioned earlier, it will promote landfills when it is being disposed. So the second problem statement is that it is not cost effective. So materials such as carbon fiber is actually very expensive, and it is not easily renewable or obtained. And the third one is the drone's frames are actually frequently damaged and replaced. So this will definitely increases the maintenance cost, and usually parts that are made of carbon fiber are highly expensive. So this brings us to the objective of this project, which is two. The first one is to develop a drone made from sustainable materials which are biodegradable, cost-effective, and good strength to weight ratio. The second objective is to help in inducing the landfill contributed by drones disposal. And this brings us to the method of this project, which is it starts with the problem identification and then followed by the drone development, which is also divided into three phases, which starts with the fabrication phase, where the knaf mat and epoxy board will be used as the material. And then the second phase is hardware assembly, which includes the battery, the rotor, the blade, and etc. And the third phase is the software setup. So from this, the drone will be assembled into a working prototype. So this working prototype will then be undergoing flight tests. So this is the drone that was developed in this project. So from here, we have discovered that this drone is actually has low electrical conductivity. It also has light frame due to the materials that was used, and also the structure cannot be detected by radar. So these are the contributions to the society from several types of applications, for example, air farming, monitoring, and also drug delivery. Air farming, by using drone, it could increase the pace of the farming, and also it could monitor the crops. So this will efficiently increase the amount of production of the crops. And then the monitoring, it can be used in disaster areas where the rescuers could locate survivors without risking their own lives. And then for the drug delivery, it could increase the pace of sending the drugs in limited or maybe inaccessible areas. So these are the collaborators in this project, which are Modas and also Eka Solutions. And now we will move on to the demonstration. So that's all from me today. Thank you for listening.